Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best LED Strips is probably one of the most versatile and transformative lighting solutions available today, capable of adding ambience, functionality, and a touch of modern flair to virtually any space, from accentuating architectural features and highlighting artwork to creating immersive gaming setups and enhancing the mood for movie nights, making them an indispensable tool for anyone looking to elevate their home decor and personal environment with dynamic and customizable illumination. Number 5. PANGTON Villa LED Strip Lights for TVs. Introducing the PANGTON Villa LED Strip Lights, designed to illuminate the sides of your TV. This kit is perfect for 40 to 60-inch televisions, offering a vibrant and immersive viewing experience. These lights can significantly improve image clarity, making your favorite shows and movies even more engaging. With 16 color options and adjustable brightness, you can set the perfect mood. Installation is a breeze with the included double-sided adhesive tape. Simply follow the marks on the strip for a quick and secure fit. No complicated setup required. Control your lighting experience with the included 24-key remote. Adjust colors, brightness, and modes from a distance of up to 26.2 feet, offering ultimate convenience. The bias lighting is conveniently powered by your TV's USB interface, operating at a safe DC 5V. Enjoy enhanced visuals without needing extra power outlets. Elevate your home entertainment setup with this versatile LED strip. It's the perfect way to add a touch of ambience and sophistication to any room. What we like. This is designed specifically for TVs between 40 to 60 inches. It's powered by your TV's USB, making setup simple. If you're looking to enhance your TV viewing experience with subtle bias lighting, this is a great choice. What people say. These lights are still going strong and I have had zero issues with them. The lights turn on every time without doubt. The glue is still holding great and I'm more worried about the TV backing coming off if we're to uninstall these now. Number 4. Govee Robic LED Strip Light 16.4 feet. Experience lighting like never before with our advanced RGBIC technology. Unlike traditional lights, these display multiple colors simultaneously on a single line, creating a stunning visual impact. Take full control with the Govee Home app, easily adjust colors, brightness, and create personalized light shows, moving beyond simple remote controls. Express yourself with 16 million color options and unique lighting effects. Share your creations in the app community and explore regularly updated AI-generated themes. Transform your space into an immersive concert hall. With 11 music modes, these lights sync effortlessly to your favorite audio, making every beat come alive. Set the perfect mood for any occasion with over 64 preset scenes. From parties to holidays, find the ideal vibrant colors with just a click. Ensure a strong hold by cleaning and drying the surface before installation. Proper preparation guarantees the best adhesion for your new lighting. What we like. Experience vibrant lighting with multiple colors on a single line thanks to RGBIC technology. If you love to customize your lighting and sync it with music for an immersive atmosphere, this is perfect for you. What people say. The standout feature is the RGBIC technology, which allows the strip to display multiple colors simultaneously on a single line. This creates stunning rainbow or flow effects that standard strips simply can't match. Control is seamless thanks to the Govee Home app. It provides access to over 64 preset scene modes and an extensive DIY section where you can customize individual segments of the strip. Installation is straightforward and beginner-friendly. The strips come with a strong 3M adhesive backing that sticks well to most clean, dry surfaces. Number 3. HitLights Small RGB LED Strip Lights. Introducing the HitLights Small RGB LED Strip Lights, a versatile lighting solution designed to enhance any space. These dimmable strips offer vibrant color-changing capabilities with an easy-to-use remote. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need for a quick and simple setup. It comes with 4 pre-cut short LED strips, a remote, a power supply, and all necessary accessories, making it perfect for various applications. Experience superior brightness and longevity with our small RGB LED light strips. Featuring double-layer copper on the PCB and ultra-bright 50/50 LEDs with 48 LEDs per strip, they are designed for efficiency and durability. Take full control of your lighting with the 360 degrees RF remote. Easily select from 12 colors and 19 modes, adjust brightness, and control speed from up to 66 feet away, even through obstacles. Our LED strip lights feature a strong self-adhesive backing for a secure, long-lasting hold. The included 12V adapter is UL listed, ensuring safety and reliability for your peace of mind. Elevate your home's ambience for any occasion. These lights are ideal for decorating bedrooms, cabinets, shelves, and living rooms, and are especially perfect for holidays like Christmas, Halloween, and Thanksgiving. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need for easy installation, including a UL-listed adapter for safety. If you need a reliable and versatile lighting solution for various applications like TV backlighting, cabinets, or shelves, this is a solid option. What people say. The lights are very bright and the colors are vibrant. Easy to install and the adhesive is strong. The remote control works well and has many color options. Number 2. HitLights LED Strip Lights Accent Kit. This is a complete kit designed for your lighting needs. It includes everything you need, like pre-cut strips, a remote, power supply, and connectors, making DIY projects simple. Elevate your home's ambience, especially during holidays like Halloween and Christmas. It's ideal for decorating bedrooms, kitchens, living rooms, and any space you want to brighten up. Easily customize your lighting with a 360 degrees RF remote. Choose from 12 colors and 19 modes, with adjustable brightness and speed, all controllable from up to 66 feet away. We've upgraded the adhesive to ensure it stays put, along with clips to keep everything tidy. The included power adapter is UL certified for safety and long-lasting use. These small yet powerful strips feature double-layer copper and bright 5050 LEDs for pure, stable, and brilliant lighting. They are perfect for TV backlights, gaming setups, cabinet lighting, and more. What we like. With multiple pre-cut strips, this offers great flexibility for DIY projects. If you have a specific project in mind that requires smaller, customizable lengths of lighting, this kit is ideal. What people say. Being able to change to a red or blue color in the evening is perfect for relieving eye strain when performing other tasks, but still gives me plenty of light so I can write or see my keyboard clearly. The LED strip are of good quality with decent flexibility, the luminosity is really good and the controller can adjust the brightness in a comfortable way. The strips are sized perfectly for adding accent light to a PC. Having 4 1-foot sections is way easier to work with than trying to use a single long strip or building or soldering them yourself. Number 1. RGB LED TV Backlight Strip. Experience a spectrum of 16 million colors to perfectly match any mood or setting. These lights enhance your visual experience, whether you're in the bedroom, gaming, or enjoying a movie. Connect effortlessly via Bluetooth to our mobile app. Easily switch between lighting modes or activate music sync to instantly set the perfect atmosphere. With a built-in microphone, these lights dynamically change colors in sync with your music. Create an immersive and enjoyable atmosphere for any occasion. Perfect for living rooms, home theaters, and holiday decorations. The safe, low-heat USB power makes them ideal for any home setting. Installation is a breeze with the strong, unique foam adhesive. This 16.4-foot strip easily illuminates every side of your TV for a seamless look. What we like. This offers a comprehensive lighting experience with app control, music synchronization. If you're looking for versatile lighting for your bedroom, gaming area, or home theater that can adapt to your music and mood, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The setup was quick and straightforward, and they stuck well to the back of the TV without peeling. The lights are bright, colorful, and really enhance the whole viewing experience, especially at night. My son loves the different color options and modes. Being able to change colors and effects makes it more fun for movies and gaming. The remote app control works smoothly and responds quickly. These lights are bright, colorful, and really enhance the whole viewing experience, especially at night. The app is easy to use and you can control it from your bed or from the remote. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.